ISLcollective.com is a great technology resource for ESOL teachers particularly. What I want to highlight with you are video lessons. Once I have clicked on the video lessons tab here, it'll further the search through this database. I will put basic verbs in. There are some tabs here that help you to filter your searching even more. The one I use most often is level. What I like about these video lessons here are that they are interactive. Definitely preview all videos before you show them to your students, especially on this site. I've found a few mature videos, so that's a good idea. Before you play a video, down below the video is a little bit of information that might be helpful to you. There are a few features to notice though here on the sides. These bubbles down here are the questions that will come up in the video, and of course you can always expand your screen. Let's see, before I begin the play modes here, give you a few options of how you can play. I like the interactive mode because then your students are involved. Now, one thing that I often do is when the option comes up, there are a few little icons that will show up once they get started. Okay, so you'll notice here we have taking away the surround music. I usually do because I need more focus than that. Here I like if there's something on the screen I need to see, I can always take off the wording. So you can stop and allow for discussion with your students, agree on the answer, and check your work. That's the format of these interactive videos. Really, there are so many on this site that I have never had to reuse them unless I really loved them, and I found them perfect. So I decided that the standards that work for me with this resource would be ISTE Educational Leaders 2A, which means I am shaping and advancing, accelerating a shared vision for empowered learning with technology. I've also found that 2C of Educational Leaders works well. I'm modeling for my colleagues, identifying, exploring, and adapting new technology resources and tools. I hope that you find this might be a tool that you can use with your students as well. And thank you for listening.